Welcome to the 5th round draw, everybody. Here are the cards that are entering because Russ Rhodes got a bye last time because I was a spare card. I don't know how people getting spare cards every draw. Well, I don't know. Anyway, so they're going in the tin like so, and we spin sugar. And also to note, another delivery. This one's a crappy. This is the worst box condition one I've got now. 62p originally, but it's another bend, so I can add the track, make it longer. This is for Scorpion Matchbox cards. I've been using it for the ordinary ones, obviously. There you go. There we go. The worst condition box one, but yeah, it was worth it because I need bends. So I can make the track, but we need bends so we can make it longer. So anyway, here we go. Out first, outside lane. Shaquille, outside lane. Who will he be facing? Ross Tallis. Both fast cars, although we are getting into the fast car period anyway. Now, Mark Smith has got 2 cars in here. So has Lee Ricketts. What they don't want to do is face each other. You know what I mean? Otherwise they'll eliminate each other. That's me on the outside lane. I've only got 1 life left. Oh no, that's a shame, isn't it? I'm against the wench. Oh. Oh well, it don't matter. If I lose and she wins, never mind. That's Russ Rhodes in his Metro. I don't know how these cars get a bye. It's against Lee Ricketts in his second pink torpedo, so he doesn't have to face himself. That is a sure fact. He's actually got a chance of going through. Mark Smith, outside lane. Oh, 2 Capris. What a matchup against Lee Ricketts. There you go. That means there must be only 2 cars left in the thing, isn't it? So it's John King, outside lane, beach buggy. Who will he be facing? Who's left in there? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Mark Smith in his pink green car. That was mint. Look, that's fucked. All these cars were mint, but never mind. Anyway, so there's your matchups. Difficult races. Difficult. See you on Sunday.